Hi guys, it's Katie from Just Claying Around. I made a quick tutorial with some of the tricks that I like to use to help keep my work dust and dirt free as possible. It all starts with your workspace. I like to keep the area I craft in clean and tidy. I wipe all the surfaces down before I start. And I usually try to wear lighter colour clothing, as certain coloured clay will attract the dust more than others. Some blue tack to hold down a fresh sheet of baking paper, which is great to use. It helps stop the clay sticking to the surface you're working on. And it's a great way to keep the area cleaner too. Powder-free rubber gloves, a couple of squares of toilet paper or kitchen paper, a cotton tip, and a soft fine bristle brush. A little bit of isopropyl, diluted with just a dash of water. Before baking, I use the brush and ISO, using small light strokes to lift any dust and dirt. The brush doesn't need to be soaking, a little goes a long way. This will also help smoothing the surface of your work, and will help with blending join areas like the arms and ears. Remember to rinse and give the brush a wipe as you go. Try not to dig with the brush. Just wipe gently until the dust lifts. Once it's baked and cooled down, use a cotton tip and ISO to go over the piece again. This is a great way to remove bits that won't lift before baking, because you can't rub hard enough without ruining the shape. Some bits might not come off, like this little bit of orange clay that got stuck. Thankfully, it was on the bottom. That's the end of my video. I hope you found it helpful. Is there anything in particular you struggle with when working with polymer clay? Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.